Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do a supersized Saturday dish, and we're going to be making broccoli salad. So, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to the Superside Saturday, and it's another collaboration with Vicky over at Vicky's Country Home and a couple other wonderful ladies. I'll be sure to leave their links all down below in the description box. But today I am going to be sitting there making a broccoli salad. So let's go ahead and I'm going to quick run through the list of ingredients of what we're going to be needing. The full recipe will also be down in the description box. So we're going to be needing some salt, pepper. You're going to be needing some broccoli flowerets. You're going to be needing some Miracle Whip or Hellmann's or whatever other type of mayonnaise that you use. You're going to be needing some crumpled up bacon. You're going to be needing shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You're going to be needing some sugar, and you're going to be needing a tad bit of vinegar. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit there and cut up the broccoli into small little flowerets. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not too often I get the pleasure of having a little sous chef in the kitchen here, but I won't mention names, or I won't name drop Nico. But he's chopping things up in the background for me, and I'm going to continue on with the dressing part of our broccoli salad. As you see, we have all the florets in the bowl here, and before, I forgot to mention, we're also going to want 1 carrot, and he's julienning that all up for me. So we're going to sit here and carry on into the dressing of the broccoli salad here. So go ahead, measure out 3/4 cup of mayo. To that, we're going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Now let's go ahead and give this all a real good stir. Alright, here is our dressing. Now I'm just going to set that off to the side. I'm going to go grab the broccoli stalks that he also julienned up, along with the carrots. And here they are, as you see. I mean, one of these times I'm going to have to get him on one of my videos of his chopping skills. He is pretty goddamn good, if I must say so myself. But now, and look, isn't that cute? His little chef mark. So we're gonna add the julienne carrots that he all cut up, and now here's the broccoli stems. Let's go ahead, put them all inside. Now let's go ahead and add the bacon to our salad, and there would be a 1/2 cup. And we're going to sit there and also add a cup of the shredded sharp
cheddar cheese. Now, I'm just gonna quick give all this a toss. I should have a bigger bowl, but I don't, so I'm making do with what I do have on hand, because I did a couple videos today and we went through quite a few dishes, and of course here again I'm making a mess, so I'm gonna cut the camera off and I'm gonna continue mixing this all up. And here it is, all mixed up. Now, I'm just gonna give this all another few jizzes around before I do add all of this goodness to our broccoli salad. And we're gonna mix this all in as well. So I'll be back as soon as I'm all done mixing this all up.
And there, that's how easy it is to make broccoli salad. Now, if you like what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And y'all come back now here.